What's up, Peak Timers? Today we're having a look at the 1967 Shelby GT500. This is from the Hot Wheels Flame Series number car 10 of 10, and it is car number 33 of 250 from the 2019 Hot Wheels set. Very, very cool looking. Let's go ahead and pop open this case here. And there it is with all of its flames on the side, as it is from the Flame Series set. I like the black wheels with the kind of like a goldish red lip, and then on the back it's got the silver lip, so it's a little bit different. The back of the car, not much as far as tampo work goes. Nice flame job from over top and from the side. Look at the side exhaust on there. The front looks very, very mean and aggressive. And the flames, you can go all the way from the hood and all the way up top there. I like it. It's a mean looking muscle car. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you guys think of the 67 Shelby Mustang?